What are the best 5 recommendations before investing in the New York stock market? Are you thinking about investing in the New York Stock Exchange? Before you put your money on the line, it's important to be well informed and make smart decisions. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to approach it with a clear understanding of the risks and rewards involved. The New York Stock Exchange, also known as NYSE, is one of the most prominent stock exchanges in the world, and it offers a wide range of investment opportunities. Here are the 5 best recommendations to consider before investing in the NYSE. Number 1. Understand your investment goals and risk tolerance. Before investing, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of what you're trying to achieve and how much risk you're willing to take on. Investment goals refer to the specific outcomes you hope to achieve through your investments. These can include things like saving for retirement, generating income, and growing your wealth over time. Risk tolerance, on the other hand, is the level of risk that you're comfortable taking on. It refers to the degree of uncertainty or volatility that you're willing to accept in order to achieve your investment goals. This will help you determine which stocks and investment vehicles are most appropriate for you and ensure that your investments align with your overall financial objectives. Number 2. Do your own research on the companies you're considering investing in. This means looking at the company's financial statements, management team, industry trends, and competition. When doing your own research, you should look at the company's financial statements, such as the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. These will give you an idea of the company's financial health and performance. Additionally, you should look at the company's management team, including the CEO and board of directors, as well as their track record and experience. This will give you an idea of the company's leadership and direction. This will help you understand the company's strengths and weaknesses and make more informed investment decisions. Number 3. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification helps to spread risk by investing in a mix of different companies, industries, and asset classes. This can help to protect your portfolio from the impact of any single investment that may perform poorly. There are several different ways to diversify your portfolio before investing in the New York Stock Exchange. One way is to invest in a mix of different industries. For example, you could invest in a mix of technology, healthcare, finance, and consumer good companies. This way, if one industry is performing poorly, your portfolio will not be overly impacted as you have invested in other industries that may perform well. Another way to diversify is by investing in different types of assets. For example, you can invest in both stocks and bonds. Stocks tend to have higher potential returns, but also higher risk, while bonds tend to have lower potential returns, but also lower risk. By investing in both stocks and bonds, you can balance the risk and potential returns of your portfolio. Number 4. Be aware of market trends and conditions. This can help you make more informed investment decisions and potentially identify opportunities for growth or areas to avoid. One way to stay informed about market trends and conditions is to follow financial news and analysis. This can include reading articles from reputable financial publications, watching business news programs, and following financial experts on social media. Another way is to track key market indicators such as the Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, and the S&P 500. These indices track the performance of a group by large publicly traded companies and can give a general sense of the overall health of the stock market. Number 5. Seek professional help if you're unsure about anything. A financial advisor can provide valuable guidance and insight on the stock market and can help you make more informed investment decisions. A financial advisor can help you to develop a financial plan that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Create a diversified portfolio that spreads risk across different companies, industries, and asset classes. Stay up to date on market trends and conditions. Identify potential opportunities and risks in the stock market. Review your portfolio regularly to ensure that it remains aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. When seeking professional help, it's important to choose an advisor who is properly licensed and has the appropriate qualifications. Financial advisors are regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and state securities regulators. You can check an advisor's background by using the SEC's Investment Advisor Public Disclosure (IAPD) website or your state securities regulator's website. Investing in the New York Stock Exchange can be a great way to grow your wealth over the long term. However, it's important to approach it with a well-informed and well-planned strategy. By following these recommendations, you can help to mitigate risk, identify opportunities for growth, and make more informed investment decisions. However, it's also important to keep in mind that investing in the stock market always comes with inherent risk, and past performance is not a guarantee of future results. It's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment so you can continue receiving lots of content like this, totally free, every week. See you soon.